Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at these fellas. It's a set of screw extractors I picked up from China. It's taken nearly 3 months for them to get here, so they better be worth the wait. I'm going to abuse them a little bit. We're going to drive in a few screws, lots of different shapes, throw in a few curveballs and see how they get on. I'm not sure how they work or anything like that, so I'm going to figure that out as we go. Yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so as you can see there, one side has got threads and the other side has got kind of a cutting face. So what you're supposed to do is drive this side down into the screw, and then once you've kind of got it down a bit, then you put in the threaded side and it's supposed to run it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to destroy some screws into this piece of timber down here, and we'll see if we can get them back out again. So I'm going to try a few different sizes and a few different shapes just to give it a proper test, and we'll see how it gets on. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a good selection of mangled ones now. I've got a little small kind of round-headed one. I've got one of these self-tappers. It's a bolt rather than a screw. I've got a bolt with no nothing on top at all. I've got a little bolt that's supposed to be an Allen head. I've got another little dome top, different size. Another dome top, bigger size. A mangled old rusty screw. A 4x30 and a 5x30. So I've got a good selection of different ones. I threw in a couple of ones that have nothing on it just for the crack. We'll see, will it take out bolts as well. So I'm going to start with the smallest. It's this fella. So we're going to put it in. So wrong way around. So the first thing we're supposed to do is drill down in with this fella. So I'm going to drill. I've got the small cutting bit in. And so he's cutting down. He's not cutting very good, but he's cutting down. And I'm going to spin him around, and we're going to drill it down into it. Okay, so I think I've done enough messing about, or whatever you want to call it. So it did work. I think most of the problem was probably me getting the sizing wrong on a couple. The threaded side seems to be useless. I think it only worked on one screw or two screws. The cutting side actually worked a lot better. Once I got the sizing right, the cutting side was able to pull out all 4 of them. and these heads are pretty manky now at this point. Okay, so as you can see, it was kind of a mixed bag there. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. Depends on the screw head and all the rest of it. I found it quite hard to size them, but then that's down to my ability more so than theirs. I got exactly the quality I paid for. They're fairly poor. If you're using them once in a blue moon, they might work and get you out of a hole. So if you're taking screws out every day of the week, I'd probably go for a slightly more expensive one. They'll probably last you a bit longer. But overall, I'm kind of happy with them. I'll probably pick up a set and throw them in the drawer. They're fairly cheap. They might get me out of a hole someday. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.